The Tesla Cybertruck features electronically actuated doors designed for hands-free access. These Falcon Wing doors operate through electronic motors powered by the vehicle's battery system. However, in emergencies like power failure due to a drained 12-volt battery or software issues, manual overrides are essential for accessing the vehicle safely. This video will guide you through safely opening the doors without power using manual handles and the emergency release system, covering models up to December 2025. All Cybertruck doors have hidden manual pull handles and emergency release levers. Knowing these locations is crucial in a no-power situation. Let's examine the Tesla Cybertruck to identify these key features. Front doors have red emergency release levers located inside the cabin, near the door frame or under the center console. Rear doors also have interior release levers and small external access points for manual override. These features ensure access even without power, prioritizing safety and reliability. If you're inside the Cybertruck, locate the red emergency release lever for the front door. This lever is typically found on the door panel near the handle area. Pull this lever firmly downward to disengage the electronic latch mechanism. You'll feel it release as the mechanical override activates. With the latch disengaged, you can now push the door outward manually. The door will open without requiring any electrical power. Always ensure the vehicle is in park mode and keep your keys nearby for security purposes. This manual override is designed for emergency situations when power is unavailable. If you're outside and the doors are locked due to power failure, locate the small notch or cover on the door edge. Use a tool like a key or flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open, revealing the manual latch. Manipulate this latch to release the door. Be careful not to damage the door seals or hinges. Similar to the front doors, the Tesla Cybertruck's rear doors include manual emergency releases for situations like complete power loss. If you're inside the vehicle, locate the internal emergency release lever near the door frame and pull it to disengage the electronic latch. For external access when the doors are locked electronically, look for a small notch or access point on the door edge. Insert a flat tool such as a key or screwdriver to pry open the cover and access the manual override mechanism. These manual override methods are crucial for accessing the Cybertruck during power failures, extreme weather conditions, or electronic malfunctions. Always test the mechanisms in a safe environment and consult Tesla's manual for precise locations. Common issues with Cybertruck doors include a dead 12-volt auxiliary battery, software glitches, or extreme cold causing hinges to freeze. A drained 12-volt auxiliary battery is a frequent cause of electronic door failure. This battery powers the door actuators, and when depleted, the doors may not respond to electronic commands. The manual override systems are purely mechanical and don't require electricity, so they should always function even with a dead battery. Software glitches can occur during updates or in extreme conditions, causing the door control system to freeze or malfunction temporarily. In very cold weather, hinges and mechanisms can freeze, preventing smooth operation of the doors. If you encounter resistance when using manual overrides, avoid forcing the door. Instead, double-check the latch mechanism and try again gently to prevent damage. Remember, the manual overrides are designed to be purely mechanical, ensuring they work regardless of electronic failures. Always test the manual overrides in a safe environment to familiarize yourself with the process. Carry a spare 12-volt battery jumper for roadside emergencies. Regular maintenance, including checking your battery health, can prevent many of these issues. Never force the doors, as this can cause damage. Refer to Tesla's user manual for detailed instructions. The future of electric vehicles, including upcoming Cybertruck models, will feature even more robust manual backup systems. As electronic failures become a concern, automakers are prioritizing physical overrides that don't rely on power. Expect to see battery-independent mechanisms in next-generation EVs. These systems ensure access even during complete power loss, addressing concerns from regulatory bodies and consumer safety demands. Low-power modes are being enhanced to stretch battery life further. In future Cybertrucks, you'll see doors and access systems operating on residual energy, reducing the need for manual intervention in most cases. Biometric sensors like fingerprint recognition are being explored for emergency access. These systems could unlock doors using your unique biological markers, providing a secure and reliable backup when electronics fail. Overall, the focus on redundancy and advanced access methods will significantly improve EV reliability and safety. As technology evolves, manual backups will become more seamless and integrated into the driving experience.